Sum number 10.5. A 50 kilogram girl wearing high heel shoes balance on a single heel. The heel is a circular width, a diameter 1 centimeter. What is the pressure exerted by heel on the horizontal floor? Okay, that is here you want to find out a pressure. Okay, so P is your question mass. Here another data given, that is a mass M is equal to 50 kilogram. Okay, and diameter D is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, therefore what is the radius? So radius is equal to 0.5 centimeter. That means you can say 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, now here you want to find out a pressure. So we know that you can say the pressure is given by formula P is equal to force upon area. What is the force? F is equal to mg and A is equal to pi r square. What is the mass? So you can say it is the 50. The value of g is a 9.8, or you can say 10 pi 3.14 and r square 5 square, that is a 25 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, so when you solve this, then your answer will be 6.24 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square, right? So here the sum is very easy. Here clearly given the what is the pressure exerted by the heel on the floor. Okay, so by this way you can find it. Next sum, a Torricelli's barometer used mercury. Pascal duplicated it using a French wine of density 984 kilogram per meter cube. Determine the height of the wine column for the normal atmospherical pressure. Okay, see here the data is given, that is here you can say the density. Density is equal to 984 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, you want to find out what? Height. So what is the height? H, right? And normal pressure. So what is the normal atmospherical pressure? So P is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal, right? So here we use the formula pressure P is given by H rho g. Okay, now tell me what is the height? H is equal to P upon rho g. Okay, what is the value of G? That you will consider 10 or 9.8. The pressure, that is a given atmospherical pressure, that is a 1.013 into 10 raised to 5. Rho, it is also given 984 and 9.8. So when you solve this, then your answer will be 10.5 meter. Okay, your answer will be 10.5 meter. Done. Next sum, a vertical offshore structure is built to withstand a maximum stress of 10 raised to 9 Pascal. Okay, see what is the maximum stress? You can say 10 raised to 9 Pascal. Is the structure suitable for putting up on a top of an oil well in the ocean? Take the depth of the ocean roughly by 3 kilometers. Okay, what is the depth? H is equal to 3 kilometers. So you can say it is a 3000 meter, and ignore the ocean current. Okay, here density of water, that is a 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Suppose you want to take density in CGS. So density of water in CGS is a 1. Okay, and the value of G, that is equal to, you can consider 9.8 और 10 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. ओके, अब यहाँ पर वो मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेस कितनी ले रहा है? यू कैन से 10 रेज़ टू 9 पास्कल. ओके, अब हम देखते हैं कि हमारा जो प्रेशर है ड्यू टू दिस ऑयल वो कितना है. Okay, so here the pressure due to seawater at depth h is given by, you can say P is equal to H rho G. H is given, that is a 3000, rho that is a 10 raised to 3, and value of G that is a 9.8. So when you solve this, then it is 2.94 into 10 raised to 7 पास्कल. ओके, इतना प्रेशर लगेगा. एंड हियर जो ऑफशोर स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेस कैरी करेगा 10 रेज टू 9. सो ऑब्वियस 10 रेज टू 7 is less than 10 raised to 9, hence the structure is suitable. You can say here pressure is less than maximum stress, therefore structure is suitable. Therefore our structure is suitable. Then next one, 10.8. A hydraulic automobile lift is designed to lift car with a maximum mass of 3000 kg. डेटा भी लिखते जाए. So M is equal to 3000 kg. The area of cross section of the piston carrying the load is 425 centimeter square. What is the area? 425 centimeter square. You can say 425 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. What is the maximum pressure would the smaller piston have to bear? Okay, what is a piston that carry a pressure? Okay, fine. So here we can apply a simple formula that pressure P is given by force upon area. Okay, what is the force? That means you can say the weight of car upon area of piston. Weight of car upon area of piston. What is the weight of a car? So you can say it is a mg and area A is given. What is the mass? So you can say it is the 3000. The value of G that you will consider, it is the 9.8 and area 425 into 10 raised to minus 4. So when you solve this, then your answer will be 6.92 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Right? So once again, the sum is very easy. Here simply we have to apply formula. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Done. Next number. A U-tube contains water and methylated spirit separated by mercury. The mercury column in two arms are in a level with 10 centimeter of the water in one arm and 12.5 centimeter of spirit in another. What is the specific gravity of the spirit? Okay. Here you want to find out the specific gravity of the spirit. Done? चलो see. तो पहले हम बना देंगे YouTube. See here we consider it is a YouTube. Right? अब YouTube में हम यहाँ पर ये जो लेवल है वो you can say it is a point A and you can say it is a point B. Okay. अब यहाँ पर हम कंसिडर करते हैं मर्क्यूरी. ओके, इट इज मर्क्यूरी. राइट. A tube contain water and spirit separated by a mercury. मतलब यहाँ पर हम कंसिडर करेंगे वाटर. You can say it is a water. And at other side we'll consider spirit. Spirit we consider here. It is a spirit. Right friends? See here you can say it is water and you can say it is a spirit. Okay. The टू आर्म लेवल 10 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ वाटर. चलो ये है 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड 12.5 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ स्पिरिट इन द अदर. व्हाट इज द स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ द स्पिरिट. हमें स्पिरिट की स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी और यू कैन से द स्पेसिफिक डेंसिटी हमें फाइंड करनी है. राइट. चलो फ्रेंड्स, कौन सी फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर we'll use Pascal's law. Okay, that means here you can say according to Pascal's law, you can say PA is equal to PB. So what is the PA? You can say H1 rho 1 G is equal to H2 rho 2 G. You can say G get cancel. That means here you can say rho 2 is equal to H1 rho 1 upon H2. Okay, that is here H1. What is the H1? That is the water level, 10 centimeter. Okay, now what is the density of the water? So you can say 1. H2 is a 12.5. So when you solve this, you can see it is a 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, it is what the density of spirit, that is a methylated spirit. हम लिख रहे हैं spirit. Okay, what is your question? Your question is a specific gravity of a spirit. Okay, that means here you can say that the specific gravity that is equal to density of substance upon density of water at 4 degree Celsius. Okay, what is the density of substance जो भी हमने find किया, that is 0.8. and what is the density of water in CGS? It is a 1. So here you can say the specific gravity is 0.8. Then next sum इसके ही link में है that in previous problem if 15 centimeter of water and spirit each are further poured into a respective arm of a tube, what is the difference in a level of mercury in the two arm, right? And specific gravity of the mercury is 13.6. चलो that's good. करते हैं किस तरह से होगा. So here you can say that इट इज लाइक दिस, ये है हमारा ट्यूब जो हम कंसिडर करते हैं यूट्यूब। इट इज अ यूट्यूब। ओके, अब हम एक लेवल जो है वो यहाँ पर मेंटेन करते हैं, दैट इज अ मर्क्यूरी। अब हम ऐसा कहते हैं कि ये है मर्क्यूरी की हाइट एच, ओके, और यहाँ पर ये है स्पिरिट, और यू कैन से इट इज अ वाटर, राइट, सपोज इट इज अ water, you can say it is a spirit, you can say it is spirit, you can say it is a water, and you can say it is a mercury। ओके, और बाकी जो मर्क्यूरी है ये लेवल पर तो मेंटेन है ही, ओके, एंड हियर द लिटिल बिट, ये जो हाइट इंक्रीज हो रही है, यू कैन से h इज अ इंक्रीज इन अ हाइट, ओके, ये जो हाइट इंक्रीज होगी, you can say the difference of height is a h, you can say it is a point a, you can say it is a point b, okay। अब 15 सेंटीमीटर वाटर एंड स्पिरिट दोनों हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, ओके, दैट मीन्स फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पर 10 सेंटीमीटर में 15 सेंटीमीटर, यहाँ पर 10 सेंटीमीटर में 15 सेंटीमीटर, एंड 12.5 में भी 15 सेंटीमीटर, ओके, तो ये हो गया आपका 25 एंड इट इज अ 27.5, राइट। तो यहाँ पर ये हुआ हमारा, इट इज 25 सेंटीमीटर, ओके, एंड इट इज 27.5 सेंटीमीटर, और ये हाइट हमें फाइंड करनी है। So once again, we'll use the formula, that is the Pascal's law. Okay, so what is the Pascal's law? So you can say Pascal's law, that is PA is equal to PB. What is the PA? That means here you can say H1 rho 1 G. What is the P2? H2 rho 2 G plus H rho G. Okay, once again friend, here H1 that is the 25, H rho G ये हमने प्रेशर, प्लस इज इक्वल टू स्पिरिट के लिए H2 रो 2 G, और ये जो मर्क्यूरी की हाइट है, सो यू कैन से इट इज H रो G, गेटिंग इट, इट इज वेरी इजी, राइट। नाउ हियर व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन, यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस इन द लेवल ऑफ द मर्क्यूरी, मतलब ये आपको हाइट H फाइंड करनी है, okay। Now tell me friend, here what is the density of the mercury? What is the density of the mercury? See, specific gravity is a 13.6, right? So here specific density, that is the density of mercury upon the density of water in CGS, that is a 1. So here that is what, 13.6 gram per centimeter cube. So here the density of mercury, that already we find here. Okay, so here you can say H rho m G, okay, one thing कि हम G कॉमन निकाल के सब में से कट कर लेंगे, okay, so H rho m that is equal to H1 rho 1 minus H2 rho 2, therefore H is equal to H1 rho 1 minus H2 rho 2 upon density for the mercury. Okay, what is the H1? 25. What is the rho 1? For water it is a 1. What is the H2 spirit? 27.5. रो 2 हमने फाइंड किया था स्पिरिट के लिए, दैट वाज 0.8 अपॉन रो m, that is a 13.6. Okay, so when you solve this, then your answer will be 0.2206 centimeter, or nearly you can say 0.221 centimeter. Okay friends, so here the sum is easy. हमें वर्ड पकड़ने हैं 9 and 10 में. ओके, अदरवाइज कुछ भी नहीं है.